Hello everyone, my name is Anita. I'm a native Russian speaker and I teach Russian to foreigners. And today we will speak about the difference between two Russian question words, почему and зачем. Many people frequently confuse them, and in fact they can be used in similar contexts, but they are different. So let's start with почему. Почему is why. So we are speaking about the reasons, the cause of some action. And in order to remember this better, you can try to split this question word почему into по and чему. So чему is just a question word что in the dative case. And why it's like this, why it's in dative case, it's because of the prefix. So prefix here по. Po prefix has many different meanings, but one of the meaning is reason. So, for example, я сделала это по привычке. So here it's not prefix, it's preposition, but still. Я сделала это по привычке. I've done this out of habit. Or я сделала это по ошибке. I've done this by mistake. So here we are speaking about the reason, right? And just this prefix по used to be the preposition по, which requires dative case. So почему, why, we are speaking about the reason. Let's see on the example. Почему ты опоздал? Why was you late? So here we are asking about the reason. And зачем is what for. So we are asking for a goal, for a purpose. And again, here we can split this зачем into чем and за. And чем is just also question word что, what, in the instrumental case. Because за requires instrumental case. And за has the meaning of purpose, of the goal. For example, я ходила в магазин за хлебом. I went to the store to buy bread. So this за хлебом, for a bread. Here is the goal, right? Why I went to the store. And just this question word, зачем, like what for. For example, it can be used зачем ты учишь русский язык? What are you learning the Russian language for? So to sum up, we use почему when we are speaking about the cause, the reason of some action, and зачем when we are speaking about the purpose. And if you want to practice more, I just left a small test for you in the description. You can write in the comments your answers. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you don't want to miss the next videos, you can subscribe to my channel, because I record the videos almost every day. I have Russian podcasts, I have Russian grammar explained in English, I have some phonetic lessons, and I also discuss the Russian language in some films. So thank you again. It was Anita with you. Пока-пока. Bye-bye.